In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a trainer in a Hitman Game of the Year. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Password type trainer and click on OK. Open the extracted folder and double click on trainer exe and select yes option. Open the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys the cheat is working, I gonna turn on infinite health and get back to the game. And as you can see, the cheat is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.